Hello everyone! Let's talk about Shopify. What are its advantages? Quick and easy setup and use. No tech worries. Secure and reliable. 24/7 customer support. Mobile ready. Customizable. There's an app. SEO and marketing tools. Payment gateway. First, quick and easy setup and use. Don't bother about servers and development costs. Launch an online store with user-friendly, intuitive admin interface. Logically structured features. Second, no tech worries. No technical expertise is required to launch a Shopify store. The platform offers complete software and hosting to set up your store, provides faster and secure hosting, accommodates spikes in traffic, manages software updates. So prioritize selling and not technical issues. Third, secure and reliable. When dealing with sensitive customer information like credit card details and impatient customers, your site needs to be fast, secure, and active. This comes with the reliability of a hosted solution. With Shopify, handle all server maintenance and upgrades so your store and shopping cart is always available. Enable SSL certificates to encrypt data and pass it through a secure connection. Manage PCI compliance needed for credit cards. Fourth, 24/7 customer support. 24/7 customer support, instant response time, contact via phone, email, or web chat, advanced Shopify University guides, community forums, plus extensive documentation in the Shopify Help Center. Fifth, mobile ready. Shopify's themes are mobile responsive, includes a free built-in mobile commerce shopping cart, free iPhone Android apps to manage your store on the go. The result? A wonderful-looking store on all devices that offers complete access to all customers. Sixth, customizable. The Shopify theme store has 160 themes, free and paid. Mobile responsive, plus hundreds available on sites like ThemeForest. Edit the code and customize the theme. Let your online shop blend with your unique brand identity. Seventh, there's an app. The functionality of Shopify's App Store is immense. Add reviews, loyalty programs, customer wish lists, get in-depth analytics, print labels, integrate with accounting software, shipping programs, social media sites, marketing apps. With over 1,500 to choose from, you are spoilt for choice. Eighth, SEO and marketing tools. Take advantage of Shopify's powerful search engine optimization SEO features to rank your website higher in search results for easy searchability. Tailor your marketing needs with advanced analytics. Ninth, payment gateway. You can use Shopify's own payment gateway powered by Stripe. You get 0 transaction fees, lower credit card fees. Shopify's many advantages make it easier to influence more customers and drive better sales. Looking to set up a tailor-made Shopify store? SJ Innovation has the expertise. For details, visit our website www.sjinnovation.com or reach out at business@sjinnovation.com.